Sfuna le mali, sfuna le cash, sfuna le stash. Sfuna mamita, sfuna.
Bobo, ma? Wow. Mom, please.
Flashback.
Who's your favorite person in the whole world?
Yeah, when I tap. Taboy. Yeah, when I tap. Why my house is smelling like a laziness?
Oh, ma. Me don't know.
Eh?
Oh. Maybe the smell follows you. Mom, did you apply all the toilet rules? Did you?
Oh, Tabo. My shit. Are you trying to say I'm the one who's polluting my own air? Under my roof, Tabo?
Mom. Mom.
Yeah, when I tap. Leave it.
But I'm sorry, Mom.
Wake up. Wake up before I cut your potatoes off. You want the sun to enter you and won't do it?
But I apologize.
I want you to go and wash dishes. After that, you do your own washing. Are we clear?
Ma, but I can multitask. I can do the washing while I'm washing dishes. Both combination. Advanced.
Hey! What's that time? You can multitask. Multitasking everything now, eh? But you can't even multitask one task, my son. Now you can multitask. Hey!
Few moments later.
No, Bobo, man. You can multitask all this. I got this. I will be done in 2 minutes.
Tabo, did you just put your dirty clothes in my dishes?
Come on, Mom. It's all soap.
It kills germs. It's kill what? Germs. Germs? Siamanyana we. Umasipa we.
What was that for?
That's for papatising my dishes with your dirty clothes. Fix this way, Naman. Ha!
Right now. In 1 minute and 32 seconds. Fast. Let's have Mama. Hey, what are you cooking? Nothing. I'm just drying my clothes. Drying your clothes what? Fast. Oh, Father God, please, just take your child now before I return him to the factory. No, Mama!
Few moments later.
Masiba hambi. How?
The next day.
Sfuna mapita, sfuna makumba. Sonke, sfuna makumba. Eyawe. Ebatitina, sfuna le mali, sfuna le keshe, sfuna le skeche. Sfuna mamita, sfuna mapita, sfuna makumba. Sonke, sfuna makumba. Eyawe.
But you never multitask, yeah?
You can't even multitask a
You
single
can't
task.
even multitask a single task.
Yeah.
Multitask, do one thing at the same time, but you never did one task. You are trying to say I am the one who is polluting my...